Hey everyone, this is Tyler from Diamond ProTech. I'm over here at DSI Automotive. We're about to coat the glass of this F-150. Let's go over everything that you get in your Diamond Glass consumer kit. You're going to get your glass prep, your glass coating, an applicator pad, a microfiber, and 2 sets of gloves, one large and one extra large. Let's get this job done. We're going to start with Diamond Glass Prep. Diamond Glass Prep is a proprietary prepping and priming product that's going to cleanse the surface, but also use specific chemical compounds that creates micro explosions to clean out the pores of the glass and really get it ready to accept that nano diamond glass coating. We're now ready for our diamond glass coating. We want to make sure we shake it for a good 15 seconds to get all those nano diamond particulates mixed into the perhydrosilazane coating. 15 drops on an applicator pad is plenty to coat all your glass needs. Watching the glass that's been treated, you'll see small little micro beads, or some people would even say the coating is sweating. What you're seeing now is the parts of the coating that are not able to be absorbed into the glass. If you stand still, you can almost watch the little micro beads move away from each other. When they've stopped moving away from each other, we're ready to level out the coating. Inside the kit, you're provided one microfiber towel. Why? It's a quick, easy, low pressure wipe down in order to remove the excess coating that was not absorbed into the glass. You'll notice if you look at this towel, there is not an extensive amount of residue left behind. The coating has been absorbed into the glass, and amazingly, Diamond Glass is ready to be delivered right now after we finished the leveling process.